Welcome to Mommy Girl Cars. Today we're looking at Mercedes GL 550. It's up for sale on the Mommy Girl Cars website. And this video is a video of the external view of the car. I hope that this video will help you in your decision making. See if you are interested in picking up this car. This video is basically a video of the external view of the car. And with all these cars we like to check, yes, the driver's rear view mirror is there and working. Have a look at the tires and you can see it's alloy wheels. Now we're coming to the front of the car. One thing I have noticed on this car is a crack. Number of cracks running along there. Windscreen. Something you'll have to take note about and decide how you want to get that fixed. We'll have a look at the passenger side of the car. Let's check to make sure the mirror is in there. Yes, it is. You can actually see the reflection here. Not sure if you can see the reflection, but the mirror is intact there. Here we're going around the rear of the car. Look at the roof. Come around to the back of the car. Up for sale. And I do hope that this video helps you in your decision making. Thank you and bye bye from Mommy Girl Cars.